To all of you that have been doubting that Temu is not real, Temu is fake, Temu is what I ordered versus what I got, today we got all these Temu products for 0 naira and 0 shipping fee. So yeah, you can see here we have the C-Lot speaker. As you can see, it is one of the most expensive products we got. This is coming for around over 80,000 naira. This is an old speaker. For all of you that you are music lovers, you will know C-Lot is one of the competing best speaker with JBL. So this is one of the free product we got from Temu. So yeah, here we have these earpods. So you can see these two earpods, they are also free Temu product. So you can see, and here we have the two cleavers as well. Ear cord cleavers. You can see this is one. This is also one of the Temu free products. And here as well we have the second one. This is another ear cleaver. This is 2-in-1. It comes with the mustache shaving and the ear shaving cleaver. And we have this one as well. This is an apron with all these cleavers, small tools. So yeah, here we have the headset, the Bluetooth headset. This is also one of the free Temu products. This is also coming for 0 naira. So and here we have this small touch light. This is actually what I ordered versus what I got. I want this video because we at first thought this is bigger than this, but after getting this, to our biggest surprise, this is smaller than what we thought. And here we have this mini tripod, the fan. We have the humidifier. As you can see, it is working. This shoe is also from Temu. We have the smartwatch strap, the cloth and the trouser.